The abandoned railway yard emerges from the embrace of dawn, a symphony of rust and decay under a veil of ethereal fog. Ancient, broken cars lie scattered, their stories lost to time and neglect. A ruined bridge, draped in moss, stands as a silent sentinel over the desolate landscape. Giant, dead trees claw at the sky, their skeletal branches reaching through the wagons. The first light struggles to penetrate the mysterious fog, casting long shadows and hinting at secrets hidden within. The scene whispers of forgotten journeys and silent departures, an ultra-realistic tableau of cinematic ruin. In the railway yard, the silent trains loom like sleeping giants under the watchful eyes of distant crows. An eerie glow rises from the ground, as glowing mushrooms cast an otherworldly light on the scene. The only sounds are the creaking of metal and the distant caw of crows, punctuating the silence. The camera continues its slow dolly forward, drawing the viewer deeper into the heart of the railway yard. The scene is bathed in an eerie bioluminescence, as if the railway yard is a world of its own. Nature's tenacious grip tightens around the forgotten railway yard, roots entwining the cold steel of abandoned locomotives. Tendrils of fog creep through the yard, obscuring the edges of reality and deepening the sense of desolation. The fog advances, its silent tendrils shrouding the yard in a veil of mystery. An unsettling stillness permeates the scene, broken only by the whisper of the wind through the skeletal remains of the railway. Above the desolate railway yard, a flock of crows circles ominously, their shadows painting fleeting patterns on the ground. The haunting calls of the black birds echo through the yard, intensifying the feeling of abandonment. Giant black birds soar effortlessly, their presence a stark reminder of nature's indifference. Shadows dance across the rusted tracks and deserted platforms, each movement amplifying the yard's emptiness. The crows' cries become a symphony of desolation, a constant reminder of what has been lost. The camera focuses on the desolate railway yard, hinting at an ominous presence. A colossal python lies coiled tightly around a train car, its immense size partially concealed. The python's massive form dominates the scene, a silent predator in the industrial landscape. The visible fraction of its body suggests a creature of unimaginable scale. The railway yard becomes a stage for nature's raw power, a silent battleground of scale and threat. The camera slowly moves along the railway yard, revealing more of the massive python's body. Its scales glisten, reflecting faint light, each detail amplifying the terrifying scale of the creature. The sheer size of the python instills terror. The python's immense size is terrifying. In the harsh expanse of the railway yard, the python's head rests ominously atop the train car. Its unblinking eyes reflect a cold, reptilian gaze, hinting at its predatory instincts. The camera focuses intently on its face, capturing the raw essence of its predatory nature. The python remains motionless, its presence a silent threat amidst the industrial landscape. The colossal python coils along the train car, its immense weight causing the metal to visibly strain and groan. Each movement of the massive serpent threatens to tear the railway car apart. The railway car buckles and twists, a testament to the sheer power of the python. The scene unfolds as a dangerous ballet of brute force against industrial might. The fog lifts, revealing a monstrous python stretching across the train yard. Its colossal size dwarfs the surrounding machinery, a testament to its terrifying power. The python looms, an apex predator in an industrial wasteland. The railway yard transforms into a stage for nature's raw dominance. The air grows heavy with the palpable threat of the unseen, a chilling reminder of nature's untamed power. In the expansive railway yard, the python's tail dominates the scene, a prelude to the unknown. The tail vanishes into the thick fog, hinting at the creature's immense size and the mysteries it conceals. The fog swallows the tail, deepening the sense of mystery and magnifying the python's seemingly endless length. An eerie stillness descends as the fog obscures the python, leaving only questions and shadows in its wake. The python is concealed from view, shrouded in mist and enigma, its presence lingering in the fog-laden air. Above the railway yard, crows stir restlessly, their calls rising in an ominous crescendo. The crows' agitation grows, their calls echoing wildly across the yard. A palpable sense of unease hangs heavy in the air, mirroring the crows' frantic behavior. The crows' heightened awareness signals an approaching shift, a change felt but not yet seen. In the railway yard, the earth trembles subtly, a signal of immense power stirring. The ground vibrates more intensely, a prelude to the python's full awakening. Small rocks cascade from the train car, a sign of the massive creature's increasing agitation. The python shifts its weight, the movement causing a further tremor through the railway yard. The subtle tremor grows, the railway yard poised on the brink of disruption as the massive python prepares to strike. The railway yard anticipates the coming chaos, a silent witness to the serpent's awakening. The python's head dominates the scene, a chilling study in reptilian awareness. Its tongue flicks out, a sensory probe into the unknown. The python remains coiled, sensing the world around it. A silent predator? The python surveys its domain with ancient instincts. A dense fog begins to creep through the railway yard, its tendrils swallowing the scene in a veil of mystery. The massive python disappears into the swirling mist, its presence fading into an unsettling enigma. The fog thickens, deepening the shadows and turning the railway yard into a haunting landscape of obscured shapes and hidden dangers. The scene transforms into a realm of the unknown, where reality blurs and imagination takes hold, heightening the sense of suspense. The railway yard fades into view, its expanse gradually revealed. A dense fog rolls in, swallowing the landscape and obscuring the python's form. The python lurks, its presence a haunting suggestion rather than a clear image. The fog deepens, leaving a palpable sense of unseen danger hanging in the air. Dawn breaks over the abandoned railway yard, a realm of ghostly silence and encroaching mist. Silhouettes of dormant trains loom like forgotten giants, their presence adding to the eerie stillness. Twisted trees claw at the sky, their branches reaching out like skeletal fingers in the dense fog. Unseen, the python leaves a lingering sense of unease and wonder, its presence felt but not seen.